Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to some more Project Silverfish. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Oh, it's the nighttime. Alright, well. Oh. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna skedaddle this way real quick. There's a place I want to check out that looks new. Oh, look. Some rando.
Back up, Galo.
You guys want some? Gordon, Freeman. Oh my god, how unfortunate. Oh no. Does this have attack light? It does. God, that's so beautiful. Was that tea or?
You're just long enough to enjoy. I'm hungry.
I hope you're hungry for lead, son. Because I'm coming to get that. Gimme. Kickflip. Kickflip. Get it. Whoa. These are the guys that explode. Aye! Well, thank you. Okay. And we are firing. Where is he? See, that's why I love the AI in this game, man. Oh, nope, don't look at it. God, those are cool looking. Okay. See, I'm here, right? And it looks like there's... Well, I should probably get into somewhere safe here. I'm like... Let's see, these are the train tracks, yes? This bridge is destroyed. If I could get across it... and get to the quarry... It looks like the Pine Ridge and the quarry are two new places. I'm just not, like, entirely sure. Yeah, let's go suss out this little fella over here. I like how your vision is instantly drawn to it. The anomalies in this game are very good. I don't think so, pal. We'll take that, though. Let's say 9. 9's good. Nah, watch me regret that later. Is that a bow? No. Some old Soviet car. Like, how the fuck am I supposed to get across this? Because I've searched the other side and found absolutely nothing. God, it still pulls your attention from this far away. My stupid lizard brain was so focused on beautiful lights. Is that a twofer? Kinda felt like it. Toot! Ooh, so there's something down there. But what is in here? Oh, another flare. Yippee-ki-yay for me. Oh. Hey. You know, we're gonna leave that for the next guy. I got a spaz with a flashlight on it. Ooh, this is all new here. We're gonna have to explore it. How dark is it in here? Ooh, quite so. Wait a second. I remember that sound. It sounds way more horrifying now. Come on. Oh my God. I know there's some good gear back here, but should I just go for it? I'm just gonna fucking go for it. Shit. Wait, do I have grenades? Yeah, dude. Oh! Okay, I just saw it. I just saw it at the last second. God damn it. Alright, how many do I have? Let's get these slugs in here so we can bust through this quick. Oh, wait. Wait. Nah, matey. Through the entrance. Okay, can I, like... Yes. Yes. Okay, fucking... Heyo! Oh, yes. Oh, what does it sell for? 520. That's not bad. It's not great. Where could it be? Is it right around the corner? Yep, pretty much. I'm good. Oh shit, there it is. That's not what I want. Can I kill this thing? Oh, hey, take it easy, hey, take it easy. Now I have unlimited access to your shit. Watch that bastard come up the stairs. It's right on the other side of the wall. But more importantly, what the fuck is this? What is this glowing thing? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My headlamp, no work. But you know what does work? Flares. Always flares. What in the fuck is this? this away from there. What in the hell is this? Oh! 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 What? What is that? What the hell is it? Okay, that hurt. That hurt a bunch. Okay. Okay, that was weird, right? That's weird. What happens if I shoot it? Okay. You know, I'm gonna try something. What the hell is that? And why does it hurt so much? I wonder if I can find some explosives down here. This thing just be fucking things up, dude. Let's use that. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh. Do those blow up? We're doing some science. We're doing some science. Bueno, fucking bueno. Okay. Okay, just be careful. Just be careful. Just be careful. That didn't look like it did fucking anything. Wait. Let's one sec. We're learning. I can't seem to see the top of it. There's two goodies back there that I really want. Okay, I've got an idea. This might lead to my death, and if it does, like, fuck it. Alright, let's do that. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna try to pry that fucking thing open. Oh, man. Well, that's the worst. Alright, here we go. Fucking full speed, baby. Full speed. Good. What'd I get? What was that? Medium plate armor. Is that better? 15, carry weight, noise reduction. Wait, what's blunt, kinetic, 120, 15. Damn! So that's better. And I'm a little thinner, a little faster. 8 kilograms, 20 kilograms though. Alright, going in one more time. Don't look at it. Ah, it hurts. Get me. You know what? We're leaving. We're leaving. That thing's down there getting all pissed off. Some horrible infernal engine of some kind. Yeah, that thing's freaky as hell. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good on that, but thank you. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. It goes to the bottom there. And that's why having the proper automatic or semi-automatic shotgun is paramount to everything. I am injured though still. Let's get some milk bites, which sound interesting. The real question. Okay, I don't know what the hell that is down there, but it's spooky. Nope, don't need another lighter. God. Oh, phosphates. Phosphates are good. What was I gonna put there? I guess a spray can. Speaking of spray can, what do we got here? Came out of nowhere. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see, so we are heading up this way to the dead end. Because we're on this road right here, so... see where that takes us. Nope. We're gonna go in stealth mode. Oh. That's right. I couldn't figure out what exactly to do here. Yeah, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. That's too much of a pain. I mean, I might go back there, like, and see if I can, because there's like a collapsed tunnel over there with a shovel stuck into it. I didn't like try to dig it up, but I thought it might be kind of frivolous to do so. Let's take the shortcut. That sounds good. Oh, that's nice. Well, shit, let's see. Going for South Bend. Oh, I wonder if that's got any updates. Also, what do I got here? I could probably stop by and sell some stuff. Yeah, let's stop by and sell some stuff real quick. Because I might get overloaded at the new place. Well, it's not new, but I wonder if more was added onto it. Let's go like that. See, that's kind of nice. It doesn't give me as much of a carry bonus, though, which kind of blows. I'm gonna sell that shit, though. What are you? Cut down 338. No way. Dude, oh, it's breech loaded. That would be so sick. Oh, damn, look at that. Oh, it's a phase shield. Damn, but it's worth more than what I'm rocking. Damn. And it gives you a heads-up display. And a tack light. 20... 10... 20. This one gives me a little bit more... Interesting. 30% camo. See, this gives me more carry weight, but like... You know what? We're just gonna keep moving. We're keep moving. Oh, that's right. I get hurt when I do that. Oh. Okay. We're gonna do this one at a time. One at a time. 1, 2, 3. Oh God. Okay. Ooh, it's jam hard. Gotta hold on to these though. Alright. Not bad. Let's look at the MRA. Hell yeah, brother. They think it's great to refrigerate while we all cremate down here. Alright, let's see how fish looks now. Oh, so fish. Oh. That's actually a pretty sweet ass helmet. Plus it's got a heads up display and a fucking tack light. Yeah, a HUD and a tack light. Plus it gives me a little... Ooh! No, I'm super good on that. Oh, I'm super good on that. I was about to say, is there a campfire lit over here? Nope. Just a roaming anomaly, or a poltergeist, as I like to call them. Alright, so this should be... This should be the entrance to South Fork, or whatever it's called. South Bend. We're gonna do a little peek up here, though. Just a wee peek. Look how many Colty coins I got, though. Shit. 2 more of those, and then I can go get the, oh no, whatever will I do? What? Oh wait, do I not have any? Wait, is it worth it to go in there, I wonder? You know what? Nah. We'll come back to that. We'll come back. Also, I've got a tack light. Why am I not using my tack light? Alright. Damn 16. Oh, it's got a stendo. Ooh. I am interested to see if any more was added to this place, because the last time I was here, they had just added it. And by they, I mean, I think the one guy working on this. Okay, you know what we're gonna do, though? That was a super weak throw. Okay, we're gonna go like that. Because I can't see anything, but I don't want other things to be able to see me too easy. What time is it? Does it tell me what time? Holy debt, Batman. 4 in the morning, 4 in the AM. Well, at least we'll be getting, Sorry about the sniffling. Still recovering, boys. I'm recording a lot of videos in one day, so, you know, I'll be sounding the same for a few of these. Alright, fuck it. Let's click on the light. Okay. Oh! I'm really glad there wasn't any fishies. It would have bit me good. See the tack light and the weapon lights just render the, Oh, shit! The white Impala. I had this on my other guy. It, gives you a get out of jail free card if you get, critically, wounded, but the helmet will break when that happens. And as fun as it is to have antlers, I think it might sell for more. Or I'll keep it if I'm going into some real heavy shit. Ooh, bug. Bugs. And there's a lot of good shit right here. What was that? Something else moving over there too. At least the daylight approacheth. Like, I definitely saw something over there. Yeah. Dog. Dog. Dead thing, not a dog. Damn it, I wanted to take a super long break from this game, but, now that I know there's a bunch of, like, new stuff, I'm all into it. Well, what do we have here? Damn it. Nothing, except for that. I'll take those. Okay, just for consistency's sake, we gotta check over here. I'm gonna keep out a gun, though. Save that. Yeah, we still got a pretty optimal amount of 30-aught. Well, that's interesting. Is this a, whee? Oh! I almost parkoured it. Wait a second. What? Damn it. There's like a big checkpoint or something off to the southeast there. Again, this could have been worked on, or there could be absolutely nothing new here, except for, you know, some loot. I mean, nothing new here to see, but I will definitely get loot. I want to open up the danger. See, this looks new. This looks new. I could be tripping, though. No. I'm pretty sure this is new. Oh, well, this is... Okay, that's the furthest out it goes. Nobody else is moving. Let's go see if them boys had any 30 out on them. I kind of wish these used 308. Like in real life. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's just a trash bag. What are you? You friendly? No. I don't cotton to no rubes. I am out for me and my culty brethren. Oh wait, let's see how many it is. 16? Aw, come on. Ooh. $5 says I won't be able to put that in my my sidearm. Why are you carrying around poison mushrooms? Oh yeah, I didn't see what these guys were. Oh, these are just free stalkers. Sorry, brother. Wow, I shot him right in the mouth. Holy shit. In another life, we are allies. But here, we are enemies. You call us demons. I call you bitches. Kickflip. Alright, I do want to check this. There is a town to this area. I just want to kind of run through here first. Also, I'm pretty sure I picked up a UMP. Does that have 45? Sure as that does. Damn, that'd be a pretty bitchin' SMG. Let's see. We're gonna drop. Oh, it's part of the music. The ambient music done spooked me. Oh, whiskey and tuna? Fuck yeah, dude. We're gonna have a great lunch. Double whiskey and a tuna? What is this? Oh, it's the cat. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. See if there's any locked carriages. I'm gonna let this video run a little longer, you know, why not? I just noticed we're 33 minutes into it. Oh, hello. You know, when Stalker was like, they should add drivable vehicles, but I don't think this game needs it. Like, I think what the Forever Winter just did would be like a cool addition to this, where you can like recruit a Jeep driver or something to like drive you to places, like drop you off, and then you have to like hoof it back. That'd be cool. Or again, like, you know, Dead Polly is another one made. Is another game made in this engine. I didn't get him. Oh, I did get him. Yet. Anyway, Dead Poly is another game made with this game engine, and I mean, it isn't as deep as this game, but the base building and like loot is just so good in that game. Like, the base building's so fun. It'd be super cool to see something like that added to this game. I mean, even if it didn't, like, whatever. Like, who cares? It's like, the path it's on is going so strong, so why, you know, it's just a thing that I want, because I'm a huge weirdo. What the fuck was... Oh, more teeth! 2 of those makes 1, so I just need 1 more coin. And then I'm going to, oh wait, here's the place. Am I tripping? No, we're roughly right here. Okay, yeah, never mind. Different place. We gotta head further in. There's a fucking lot of dogs here, boys. I'm glad they were kind of handled by whatever horrible entities were here before me. Okay, I gotta be careful, though, because I'm pretty sure there's a sniper around the bend here, like, over yonder. Oh, hold up. Shh, can't forget to turn those on for good luck. Let's get up here and take a look through the binos. There's our guy. What do you think I can, God damn. Also, developer, if you're watching this for any reason, FAL mags carry 20 shots. That's a whole ass deer there. And that's a boar. Have any slugs? They're good for hunting. Alright, well, now that I'm out of slugs. Alright, well, since we got a little bit more of this town to explore, I think I'll end the video here. But, as usual, thank you all so much for watching. Oh, that's awesome. Look how much I was able to make. Oh, yes. Thank you all so much for watching, and as usual, I will catch you in the next video, where we will further explore South and see what it brings. But I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.